You're mining for dopamine, but your dopamine is meaningless. What you're really searching for is the sweet serenade of serotonin. So let me spin it to you like this. It's the difference between hitting a slot machine or sitting down and committing to the most satisfying game of chess. Between the nicotine hit of a cigarette or the scent of a spring morning soothing your lungs. Between a talking head barking at you, forging a facsimile of connection, or a comfortable moment of silence where your eyes linger and say the words for you. Between breaking news crashing across your lock screen and a good book that knows nothing of time, tickling the deepest parts of your mind. Between the song of the summer and the song that speaks to your soul. Between the noise you permit to invade the floodgates of your inner world and the simple pleasure of hearing the rain patter, and nothing more. When the dopamine reigns supreme, the body-mind forgets the perfect potion that only bubbles up into the patient person who forgoes the instant for the timeless, prioritizing the silence over the commotion that only serves to cover up the pain. The remedy is the serotonin that gently emerges only in the quiet. If we can face the fear that we've lost the joy in the little things, we'll discover that it trickles back in its own time, first as a slow drip, and then eventually a steady river.